Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to the session. Today's class, we are going to continue exercise 14.3. You can take page number 227 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, we are going to start from the third problem. Work out the following divisions. Okay, we are going to work out the division. Okay, so this is one polynomial divided by 5. It is a monomial. Okay, this is one polynomial and this is one monomial. So 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Okay, so what you will do, you will take the common value outside or you will divide individually. So 10x divided by 5 minus 25 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So answer is 2x minus 5 is the answer. Okay. Next, what is the second problem? Second subdivision, 10x minus 25 divided 2x minus 5. Okay, 10x minus 25 divided 2x minus 5. See, here you have both polynomials. So 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So in this 2 we can take a 5 outside. Okay, down we can't take anything outside, but in numerator you can take a 5 outside. If I take 5 outside, 5 2s are 10, upper 2x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 5. I have taken 5 from these two, so I am getting 5 of 2x minus 5 to denominator 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5 cancel. So what is remaining? 5. 5 is the answer. Okay. Next. Third one. 10y of 6y plus 21 divided by 5 of 2y plus 7. Okay. So this is also one complicated, it looks like complicated polynomial, but it's easy. Okay. 10y of 6y plus 21 divided by 5 of 2y plus 7. Okay. So in the 6y plus 21, you have you can take 3 outside. Yes. Or first wait, we can cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 2y of 6y plus 21 divided by 2y plus 7. So in the 6y and 21 you can take 3 outside. So 3 into 2, 2y into 3 bracket 2y plus 7. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6 divided by 2y plus 7. So now 2y into 3 is 6y into 2y plus 7 divided by 2y plus 7. Now we can cancel 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 cancel. So what is the answer? 6y. 6y is the final answer. Okay. See, in the 6y plus 21, I have taken 3 outside. Our 3 2s are 6. Upper 2y plus 3 7s are upper 7. 3 2s are 6 y. 2y plus 7 cancel. So you are getting 6y as the answer. Okay. Fourth subdivision is your homework, children. Third problem, fourth subdivision is your homework. Now we will go to the fifth problem. 96 ABC of 3a minus 12, 5b minus 30 divided by 144 a minus 4 into b minus 6. Okay, this is what the next. So I have to divide both. 96 ABC of 3a minus 12, 5b minus 30 divided by 144 of a minus 4 into b minus 6. See, can we cancel this in third table? We can cancel these two in third table, children. 96 and 144. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Then 4 3s are 12, 8s are. Then again in it is 32, here 48. So you can do it in two table. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 8 times, 12 times, 4 times, 6 times, 2 times, 3 times. Okay. So what you are getting? 2ABC, because 2 is there, ABC of 3A minus 12 into 5B minus 30 divided by 3 of A minus 4 into B minus 6. Okay, now in this 3A minus 12 you can take 3 outside, but 2ABC into 3, if I take outside, what I will write, A minus 4 into, if I take in this 2 I take 5 outside, means to 5 of B minus 6 divided by 3 into A minus 4 into B minus 6. So in this 2 can we cancel? 3 cancel, A minus 4 cancel, B minus 6 cancel. So what is remaining? 5 2s are 10, ABC. Okay, 5 2s are 10, ABC is the answer. Okay. So fourth subdivision is your homework. So now we will go to the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem, children? Divide as directed. Divide as directed. Okay, first subdivision, 5 into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided 2x plus 1. So we are going to divide these two polynomials. Okay, 5 of 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So this 2x plus 1 cancel. So what is remaining? 5 into 3x plus 5 is the answer. 5 into 3x plus 5 is the answer. Next, second subdivision, 26xy, right? Second subdivision, 26xy of x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x of y minus 4. Okay, so now I am going to divide both. 26xy of x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x of y minus 4. Y minus 4 cancel, x cancel, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So 2y of x plus 5. So see, 2 is there, y is there, x plus y. But 2y of x plus y is the answer. Next, your third and fifth problem is your homework. Third and fifth problem is your homework. Okay, so I am going to do fourth problem. Third and fifth problem homework. So fourth problem, 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided 5 into y plus 4. 5 into y plus 4. Okay, so now we will do it. 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5 into y plus 4. Y plus 4, 5 plus 4 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3. Answer is what? 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 is the answer. Okay. Next, fifth subdivision. Actually, it is easy when you work out more problems. Okay, children. Fifth problem. Factorize the expression and divide them as directed. So factorize means what? We are going to make them, we have to factorize using the identity, and then we are going to cancel it if possible. Okay, y square plus 7y plus 10 of divided by y plus 5. Okay, now what is this actually looks like? This looks like some identity should be used to factorize the expression. So first, y square plus 7y plus 10. So y square is a perfect square, 10 is not a perfect square. So what is the identity you will use? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to x plus a into x plus b. So when a plus b is nothing but here what? 7. AB is nothing but 10. So when I multiply these two, I should get 10. When I add these two, I should get 7. So 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2, 7. So what is A here? 5. B here 2. A is 5, B is 2. So x plus A means x plus, sorry, x or y. Yeah, here y it is there, children. So y plus 5 into y plus 2 divided by y plus 5. Now this has changed to y plus 5 into y plus 2, then divide by y plus 5. Now we are writing y plus 5 into y plus 2 divided by y plus 5. Y plus 5 cancel. So what is the remaining? Y plus 2 is the answer. Okay. Next, second problem. M square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. Here also we are supposed to use the expression. So where m square is a perfect square, but 32 is not a perfect square. So we have to do accordingly. So x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to x plus a into x plus b. So here a plus b is nothing but minus 14, ab is nothing but minus 32, right? So now when we will get this 32, children, minus 32, 7 this 7 2s are 14, but 7 plus 2 you will not get it. Any other possible things is there to get this 14 and 32? What is the possibilities? 16 2s are 32, right? So minus 16 into 2 is minus 32. So minus 16 plus 2 is minus 14. Now you got, right? So a is equal to minus 16, b is equal to 2. So instead of this I will write m minus 16 into m plus 2. Don't forget to put the variable. It is not x. Here it is m divided by m plus 2. So m minus 6 into m plus 2 divided by m plus 2. M plus 2 cancel. So m minus 16 is the final answer. M minus 16 is the final answer. Okay. Next, third subdivision is your homework. Okay. Third subdivision is the homework. Fourth subdivision we will do 4yz into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y of z plus 8. 2y of z plus 8. Okay. 4yz of z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y of z plus 8. 4yz of z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y of z plus 8. 2 2s are 4, y cancel. So what is remaining? 2z into z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by z plus 8. See, this we can use that formula. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to x plus a into x plus b. Okay. So when I add a plus b, I should get 6. A into b, I should get minus 16. Okay. So I need like that. Okay. So when I multiply it, I should get 16. So 8 2s are 16, right? 8 into minus 2 minus 16. So 8 plus minus 2 you will get 6. 8 plus minus 2 you will get 6. So a is equal to 8, b is equal to minus 2. So you will get 2z into z plus 8 into z minus 2, right? 2z into z plus 8 into z minus 2 divided by z plus 8. Z plus 8 cancel. 2z into z minus 2. 2z into z minus 2. Okay. Next is your fifth problem, right? Fifth problem, 5p into p square minus q square divided by 2p into p plus q. Okay. Now 5pq into p square minus q square divided by 2p into p plus q. So now this p cancel. So 5q of p square minus q square looks like a square minus b square. Upon a plus b into a minus b divided by 2 into p plus q. P plus q cancel. So what is the answer? 5q by 2 into p minus q. Okay, 5q by 2 into p minus q. Next, sixth problem. 12xy of 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy into 3x plus 4y. Okay, so now 12xy of 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy of 3x plus 4y. 4 3s are 12, x, y, y. So 3 into this 9x square can be written as 3x the whole square minus 4y the whole square. Yes, 3x the whole square minus 4y the whole square divided by 3x plus 4y. So 3 into 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y divided by 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y get cancelled. 3 into 3x minus 4y. So answer is 3 into 3x minus 4y. Okay. Next, seventh problem. What is the seventh problem? 39y cube of 50y square minus 98 divided by 28y square 5y plus 7. Okay. Now 39y cube of 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7. Okay. Now y square cube 1y is remaining. In 13th table 13 2s are 13 3s are. Okay, so 3 by 2y of, so 50y square, 50y square, in that can we take anything outside? In 2 table 25 y square minus 98 by 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 49. Okay, so if I take 2 from these two outside, 25y square minus 49 divided by 5y plus 7. So this 2 cancel. So 3y of 25y square I am going to write 5y the whole square minus 7 square divided by 5y plus 7. Yes, see, I have taken 2 from this outside, which is this 2. 2 cancel. So 3y, 25y the whole square is nothing but 5y the whole square minus 7 square. So 3y of 5y the whole square, a square minus b square. So 5y plus 7 into 5y minus 7 divided by 5y plus 7. 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 cancel. About 3y of 5y minus 7. 3y of 5y minus 7 is the final answer. Understood? So in this fifth problem, third subdivision I have given you as a homework. Okay. I am going to the exercise 14.4 directly, children. See, actually this is one correcting, we are going to correct the errors. Okay, when we are doing some statements, when you are doing some algebraic equation calculation, where are the places you will correct the mistakes. Okay, that we are going to do in this exercise directly. Exercise 14.4. First problem, we are going to deal with the first problem. 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. Okay, find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. So you should check whether the error is there and what is the error, you have to check it, then you should correct that error. Okay, so actually I am going to take the LHS alone. What is LHS? This one. Okay, 4 into x minus 5. So when 4 into x minus 5 is there, the 4 is common for x as well as minus 5. So we have to multiply with this. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into minus 5, minus 20. But what is given in the RHS? RHS is equal to 4x minus 5. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, when I solve this LHS, I am getting 4x plus minus 20. When what is given in RHS? 4x minus 5. both are not equal actually. See here, 4x minus 20 and 4x minus 5 is there. So both are different. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the mathematical statement is wrong. Therefore, the given mathematical statement is wrong. Okay, the correct statement is, we are going to write it. Okay, the correct statement, what is the correct statement actually? 4 into x minus 5 is nothing but 4x minus 20. This is your correct statement, because when I solve this, I will get only this, not this one. Okay, so 4 of x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 20. Understood? So this is what the correct statement. Next, second problem. X of 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x square plus 2. X of 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x square plus 2. Okay, so now LHS is equal to x of 3x plus 2. Correct? This is what LHS. So now x into this, then this. X into 3x is 3x square plus x into 2 is 2x. X into 3x is 3x square plus x into 2 is 2x. Then RHS. RHS is what? 3x square plus 2. Whether both LHS and RHS are equal? No. So we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the given mathematical statement is wrong. Okay, the given mathematical statement is what? It is wrong. The correct statement is, what is the correct statement? X into 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x square plus 2x. So this is what your correct statement. Okay, next, third problem. Third problem. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. Is this correct? 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy? No, because x is different, y is different. So both are not same. Okay, so LHS is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y only. Okay, what is RHS you are getting? 5xy you are getting. Whether both are same? No. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the given mathematical statement is wrong. Okay, therefore the correct statement is, 2x plus 3y is 2x plus 3y only, or you can write in some other way. 2xy plus 3xy is equal to 5xy. Either you should get like this. 2x plus 3y is 2x plus 3y only. If you want to get 5xy means it should be 2xy plus 3xy. So both are xy. So 2 plus 3, 5xy. So this will be the correct statement. Okay. So we should check like that. Okay. So next is your fourth subdivision. So what is the fourth problem? X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Okay. So now LHS, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to what? X plus 2x is 3x. 3x plus 3x, 6x. RHS, what is the answer? 5x. 6x and 5x are equal? No. So LHS is not equal to RHS. 1 minute. Not equal. Okay, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, the given statement is wrong. Okay, the given statement is wrong. The correct statement is x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x. This is what your correct statement. Understood? So next problem, fifth problem is your homework. Exercise 14.4, fifth sum. Okay, fifth sum is your homework. Okay. So today's class we have discussed a few exercise 4.3 problems where you have divided and factorized using the given formulas. Next we have started the exercise 14.4 and few problems we have discussed. Then in exercise 14.3, third problem, fourth subdivision, and fourth problem, third and fifth subdivision, and fifth problem, third subdivision. Then exercise 14.4, fifth sum as homework. These are all the homework problems which I have given you in today's class. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.